The fourth type of heterotrophic nutrition derived by plants is symbiosis. As the word suggests, symbiosis. Some organisms live together and share both shelter and nutrient. One provides shelter and other provide nutrient to it. So this relationship is called symbiosis, means sharing. Symbiosis means sharing. For example, certain fungus live inside the roots of plant. The fungus या fungi live inside the roots of plant. The plants provide the nutrient to the fungus, and in return the fungus provide water and certain nutrient to the plant. So by sharing the nutrients, in this case both provide nutrients to each other. Fungus provide water and certain nutrients to the plant, and plant provide the nutrient to the fungus. So this is the one example of fungus and plant, in which fungus depend on plants and plant also depend on fungus. so so you should know the first symbiosis example is how fungus depend on plant for their nutrients, and plant also depend on fungus for water and certain nutrients. So next example is lichen. What is lichen? In this lichen, a chlorophyll containing partner, which is an algae. I have just told you about this. You should know about this, that fungus and plant depend on each other. Now I am talking about this paragraph, lichen. In this, a chlorophyll containing partner, which is the green color, the algae is in green color, and the fungus live together. Here, what is lichen? In lichen, fungus and algae live together. Now who provides what to each other? The fungus provides shelter. The fungus provides shelter, and algae provide nutrient. The fungus provides shelter, water and mineral to the algae. In return, the algae prepares and provides the food to the fungus. So nutrient, algae provide nutrient or food to fungus, and fungus provide shelter to algae. So these are the two examples of symbiosis relationship. First is fungus and plant, and second is algae and fungus. So these are both important. Now our last topic comes how nutrients are replenished in the soil, that how all nutrients comes into the soil. As I just told you before, from the fertilizers and manure. In this, fertilizers and manure contain nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus. These nutrients need to be added from time to time to enrich the soil. We can grow plants and keep them healthy if we can fulfill the nutrient requirement of the plant. So plants absorb a lot of lot of nitrogen, and soil become deficient in nitrogen. That's why we need to add nitrogen in soil by adding fertilizers and manure. I hope this is clear to you. In the soil, there is a bacteria present in the soil called rhizobium. This rhizobium take the atmospheric nitrogen and convert it into usable form. But rhizobium cannot make its own food. That's why it often lives in the roots of gram, peas, mung, beans, and other legumes and provide them with the nitrogen. So we can say this is also a symbiosis relationship in which rhizobium bacteria lives on the roots of different plant, and in return the rhizobium bacteria provide them nitrogen, and these plants gives rhizobium bacteria food and shelter to the bacteria. Thus they have a symbiotic relationship. I hope this is clear to you. This association is of a great significance for the farmers. They can reduce the use of nitrogenous fertilizers